Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can restore your Binance wallet. So the first thing you have to do is you have to make sure that when you go to your account and you click on wallet, and when you go to wallet management, it should say backed up. So after you've logged out or you can't log in, it must show restore now. Now if it shows restore now, you will have to put on the seed phrase. The seed phrase is when you have a certain keywords and numbers aligned together for a password to log in into your wallet. So you will just have to import wallet by using that seed phrase. You must have it stored wherever it is in your Google Drive and on your computer or your phone notepad. So you must do that. And when you click on import, you will restore your wallet. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.